Aqua. This is an Aquarius reading for the month of July. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Aquarians? This is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's see kung ano meron para sa mga Aquarians this month of July. Okay. Wish fulfillment. Right now, nagfo-focus ka sa trabaho, sa career, sa pentacles, sa pera. Money, money, money. Okay. Siyempre, Aquarian pa ba? You're trying to manifest your healing. Nagkaroon ng like situation in the past sa'yo na sobra kang nasaktan. And sabi mo is focus mo right now yung healing mo. Let's see. Anong meron para sa mga Aquarians? Last two shuffles. Meron kang ino-overthink. Siyempre, air sign pa ba? Overthinker. The Ace of Wands, isang passionate connection na right now parang you're losing interest already. Inaccept mo na natapos na tong connection na to because this feels so toxic. Right? The Emperor is here. Parang pareho naman kayo na hurt, no, na sad about the truth and the ending of this connection. Okay? The Queen of Cups, sadness, Five of Cups, and then the Emperor. Nagkaroon ng wisdom, na nagkaroon ng judgment in reverse, mga maling decision because of may option and confusion here. Right now, walang communication or napakalaki ng like mayroong block communication or miscommunication sa connection na to, but you're trying to detach yourself already from this. Okay? Sagittarius, Aries, Capricorn. Right now, the King of Cups, the masculine, is trying to heal from the situation na right now nag-hold back din siya ng communication or any offer. The masculine is also like andon siya sa nag-i-stalk siya but hindi naman siya gumagawa ng move. There's a Libra energy here trying to find the balance and to do what's right. Meron siya mga communication na gustong gawin about this very unstable connection. Okay? Thinking of offering of love, but iniisip pa lang. Okay, let's see. Aqua. The reason for the reading is the Chariot card moving forward because it feels like parang naubos na, no, yung mga kaya mong ibigay na pagmamahal. And the Strength card is in reverse. Sabi mo is parang hindi na kaya. It's really time for you to move forward. Recent past, there is the pinaglaban energy, or it could be you're so defensive about someone who's trying to reconnect with you. May conflict here about someone na gustong bumalik sa energy mo, na gustong ipaglaban tong connection na to, but parang ang taas na nung wall mo. And I feel merong mga trust issues here. Meron kang prayers and manifestations about their financial stability, money, money, money. Sabi mo is, gusto mo nang i-drop yung mga burden na yan. If this is about love, you want a love that feels secure and stable. Pagod ka nang mag-heal, pagod ka nang ma-disappoint. Right now, Aquarians, nasa glow up, nagpo-focus ka sa sarili mo, personal development, working on your finances. Right now, you're trying to step back. I feel parang nagkaroon ng malaking transformation, wisdom para sa'yo. Because nagkaroon ng toxic relationship in the past, recent past. Your person is already trying to release this connection, but still overthinking this. Pero sabi niya, makakabuti na i-release na niya tong connection na to because nagdadala ng sobra-sobrang pain. Okay? meron kang fear and doubt about reconnection, if ever ba na mag-reach out tong person na to, papakinggan mo ba or hahayaan mo na lang talagang nakablock? Hindi ka na rin naman, like, meron ka mga fear about anyone from the past na nakasakit sa'yo to reconnect again. Okay? Kasi parang may pattern na, alam mo yun, na napaka-slim ng chance for these people really to, na pag bumalik sila is ibang version na, di ba? Na upgraded version. Most of the time, hindi eh. Okay? So, in the next 3 months, I feel there is a stuck energy here trying to move forward, but it could be challenging for you. Clarify the 6 of Swords. Woo! You're trying to move forward, but it feels like you're stuck. You're trying to build on something. You're trying to build your self-worth, to build your finances. Pero kung ano yung full manifestation mo, I feel hindi, yung target mo in the next 3 months, I feel hindi pa siya darating. I can also sense an energy about the relationship. The outcome would be, wala akong nakikitang like, malaking transformation na magiging happy, masaya, okay? This is puro overthinking. And parang i-release mo na yung sarili mo doon sa fantasy, okay? Na binigay sa'yo nung person na to, na may future na maganda, that you're building together, that the wheel of fortune is there, na may swerte, that you'll be okay, okay? Marami kang realization na lahat yon ay hindi totoo. Lahat yon illusion. So, nagkakaroon ng acceptance on your part na wala. It's all a lie. At may isang tao dito na babalik, na may offer na naman na cup, na may isda, na makikipagkasundo. But I feel, hindi siya magkakaroon ng victory. Though probably pwede mo siyang pakinggan. But you'll use your discernment, you'll use your intuition, and I feel walang good news para dun sa taong gustong makipag-reconnect or communicate sa'yo. Okay? Parang sobra ng nasira yung tiwala. To balance these energies, I recommend you to have, to balance your heart chakra, to harmonize the relationship if you're still willing to work this connection out, the Madagascar rose quartz to attract abundance, the Brazilian citrine, and to protect yourself, your energy, to ground your energy, and to protect yourself from bad juju, the Madagascar black tourmaline. Okay? Let's see kung anong gustong sabihin sa'yo ng person mo. I am so attracted to you. I feel you're leaving me behind. The timing just wasn't right for us. Ay, parang kanta. Okay? I'm so attracted to you. I feel you're leaving me behind. The timing was not just right for us. I hid who I really am. So, nagsinungaling talaga. This connection was built on so much lies. Just being near you is intoxicating. I wish I had treated you better. So, this could be like, yung message sa'yo ng person mo, Aquarian. And, yeah, PM mo ko kung paano magkaroon ng high quality, blessed, and ritualized na crystals na to. Each crystals is 2.5 each. But if you're on a budget, I suggest for you to have the manifestation oil. Meron din tayong magnetize to harmonize the relationship. The protection oil, prosperity, panglagay mo sa wallet. Okay, if you're working from home, lagay mo sa laptop o ano ginagamit mo sa trabaho. And the cure to manifest faster healing. Yung oil natin is just 888. And then the crystals is 2.5. And then PM me for your personal reading. And see you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Aquarians!